latte pizza, which in English is chocolate pizza, but roll the intro. First, you need a couple things. So, tortilla, butter knife, a plate, any chocolate spreading you have. We have Nutella, a banana, and if you have some, get some strawberries, cut that up freshly. But today we have a special guest, Brady. So let's get into it. But first, you need to wash your hands. We're gonna go do that. See you when we wash our hands. So now we're back from the hand washing machine. So let's go over the ingredients. We're about to start making chocolate Nutella pizza. If you hear anything else that's not us talking, it's my mom and his sister, Brady's sister. They're watching a movie. The Nightmare Before Christmas. But let's get into it. So first, step one, you need a tortilla. Just open the bag on wrong. Oops. I ripped it. Found it. Okay, so now we need to open the chocolate latte spreading. After me, Ready, you can help me. I'm helping you, but I'm helping this. You can help me. Can you help me with this? Okay. Hello. Okay, we need more. Use the knife. They're going yours.
It looks like this is a pizza challenge.
It is kind of, but it's not a challenge because we watched in a video. So it's not technically a challenge, but still, it's kind of a challenge. Chefs at work here. No, I don't want to scream that, but okay, it was fun.
So we're winning out of Nutella.
Can I start? There's more Nutella in here.
So, well, look like we're winning out of Nutella.
But we still have more in my jar.
You look like a monkey.
What are you trying to do?
Spread Nutella or my chocolate spreading. My chocolate spreading.
No, that's pizza sauce.
Pizza.
Technically for the pizza, yeah.
Pizza sauce.
And maybe we can do the pizza challenge.
Yeah, maybe for another video.
So are you trying to cover everything in
Not
Nutella,
everything.
or what are you covering?
Some of the like the edges you meant to keep empty, but you can keep some of the edges like not empty because it's your own pizza. You can make it however you can design it however you want. This is the only basics that every pizza needs that every chocolate latte pizza needs to do. It's their chocolate spreading, or it will literally just be a tortilla.
Let's see how you did.
Yeah.
Looks good. So what's next?
So
Next is
can you help me cut this banana?
now we're naming it the banana.
We're gonna cut the banana.
Can you help me cut this in half?
Cut the banana?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So
Okay,
here we go. I'm gonna cut the banana
And then
in half.
after
Actually, I'm gonna need another plate.
Then you want to try.
All right. So you want help with the banana?
first you need to peel it and then
What should I do with this banana?
peel it first.
Peel it first?
Yeah.
How about I just cut it?
No.
Ready? One,
No. No, I need to
two,
peel it first.
3.
He just cut that banana in half with his own hand. How did he do that? And hopefully he doesn't do that to me. But now, let's stick the bananas on the chocolate latte.
Chocolate latte.
Okay, ready? So let's start. Spread them evenly. So put it in a circle, outline circle.
Okay.
So the banana is.
The toppings, like
Oh
sweet
no.
yellow pepperoni.
Sweet yellow pepperoni.
Yummy.
So our hands are super really sticky. Now we have to go wash them. So
I thought it was over there.
Ready?
3, 2.
Here we go.
go. To cut like into diamond. You know what? That's fine.
Okay.
Enzo, hi. Enzo, talk to me.
I'm about to taste test the candy.
Not a candy.
Well, yeah.
Yes, my housey. But we're doing Halloween.
I'm taste testing. 3, 2, 1.
Yummy.
How'd it taste?
Dun, dun, dun.
Tell us. Tell us. I need to see. No, I'm
How'd it taste? What are you doing?
good.
It tastes like kind of like melted strawberries.
Melted strawberries?
I mean strawberries that are very sweet.
I don't know.
Ew.
Oh,
Oh, right there.
Oh,
Yours
it's
is
right
right
there. Thank you guys.
You're welcome. Brady, what does it taste like?
It tastes like pickles.
Pickles. All right, take a bite and tell me what it tastes like.
Delicious. Tastes like straw. I'm kidding now.
I want to try this.
I don't know how to describe it, but it tastes delicious. We are done for today. If you want to try this at home, which you probably do, it would be better with strawberries. But we don't have any, so we just do that. But if you have strawberries, you should do that with strawberries. But so if you want to try to make this, then follow the recipe given. 5 steps.
5 steps.
Easy steps. Why does that Nutella keep falling?
Oh no.
Okay, I'm